What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have another update on ICP, which has hit another huge green candlestick, as you guys can see here, which can only mean one thing: it has pumped up near about 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over $16 guys. So we're going to be going through what is next for ICP. Is it going to keep pumping? Is this the point where it's going to break out, potentially heading over $20 over the coming days? Or is it going to take a little dip back down in value? Or is it going to stabilize around $16? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024. Is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits? Or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that ICP is at a critical point right now. As you guys can see, it has just broken out into the top tier level. So either two things can happen: it can break out from this point, or drop back down into the blue zone here, but I'll be covering that later on in the video. So for now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of ICP, which is here in purple at $13.38. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at nearly $16, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And on a positive note, Bitcoin did hit over $68,000 earlier last night guys, which is an absolutely insane news for the crypto market. So do expect the crypto market to be more on the green side over the coming hours and days as well. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the lines are also looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction, meaning this is not realistic, again because they are looking way too steep due to the fact that it has taken a little dip here over the last half an hour to an hour. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours guys, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting ICP to be going for an overall increase in value, potentially heading over $17 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason being is, yes, ICP hasn't really followed a similar pattern to the crypto market. It has followed its own way so far, but right now I am expecting it to slowly start to increase in value over the coming hours and over the coming days as well. So if I go on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are looking quite skeptical. The blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is expected from ICP over the coming week, so essentially hovering around the $16 mark. However, I'm expecting ICP to be getting closer to the $20 mark guys towards the end of this week and early next week. So do expect more green days for ICP. Don't get me wrong, we are likely to see the odd red day in between where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, because that is part of how the crypto market works. We can't expect it to carry on hitting green candles consistently. So what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So heading towards the $20 mark, or just over $20, is what I'm expecting from ICP over the coming 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we have taken a U-turn. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive. So in this case, an overall increase in value is what is expected from ICP over the coming 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So mid to late April 2024. Yes, I'm expecting ICP to have gone over near about hitting $30 in value is what I'm expecting. But again, do bear in mind, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can, as I get more data and updates and so on. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far, so good for ICP over the coming days, weeks and months as well. It is likely to head towards the positive direction, as I'm also expecting the crypto market to be more on the bullish side for 2024 overall. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bringing on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, this is the critical point for ICP. It has broken out from the blue zone into the top tier level here, and it hasn't resisted. So yes, I'm expecting it to dip back down into the blue zone potentially over the coming days, and then break out into the top tier level here, heading towards the $20 mark towards the end of the week and early next week. So do expect to resist a little bit before it breaks out into the top tier level. But again, if there are any major changes to this, I will of course keep you guys updated, because ICP is a crypto that I cover on a regular basis, which to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict, and to bring you guys any urgent news that can have an impact on its value. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up over 135% in the last 24 hours, making it over $534 million in trading, guys, which is a huge amount of increase in trading due to the fact that it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. It is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people have been trading ICP over the last 24 hours. And again, those of you guys who are looking to invest into it, make sure your risk management is on point, as I'm also expecting it to take little dips in between. But again, if you're into the long-term hold, then from my prediction, you are quite safe. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting ICP to go in 2024? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.